how to temporarily deactivate TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account within the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to temporarily deactivate our TikTok account. All we need to do is open up the TikTok app, then select Profile in the bottom menu. Once you get to your TikTok profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, simply select Account, and then all we need to do is select Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. From there, just select Deactivate Account, and Deactivate Account basically hides it from anyone, but you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. So select Deactivate Account. They'll give you some more information about what that means. Select Deactivate in the bottom, and then they're going to send a code to either your email or your phone number so that they can confirm your identity. Once you enter that code, select Deactivate Account, and your TikTok account will be deactivated. You'll be logged out of this account in the app, and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.